Today's session with the leaders desk was very informative and very interactive, I can say.
So starting off with the fun activities in the morning till the group discussion and all, we had quite a good time.
It was the most engaged program we have ever attended.
In one day, it was very thoughtful and very insightful.
I have learned on the resume making, LinkedIn profile maintaining,
how to communicate with the peoples in the group discussion,
communicate with each other and group discussion, and how to interact with the person interviewer.
Everything was dealt very clearly and we were taught very well.
And it was very useful for me.
Thank you, leaders desk, for giving us this opportunity.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.